Hey guys, Dan Absent here, and we are in another lockdown. I think this is week 3 at the moment, and they're saying it's probably going to be another 3 to 4 weeks. Anyways, most of my jobs have been postponed, which is cool because now I get more time to do some of the things I'd rather do. I'm pretty interested in ads and commercial videos, so something I thought I would do is make as many company videos as I can over the next 3 to 4 weeks, and I'm going to submit every single one of them to the actual company and see if they're interested in using it in their marketing. And I think there's quite a few things I can gain from doing this. I could gain potential future clients, I could possibly make some money, I could grow my brand further, and if all else fails, at least I've grown my portfolio to that next step, which would hopefully allow me to get clients in the future from other companies. I think this is a great way to start out if you're a beginner or if you're intermediate but you haven't quite got a client base yet. It's proactive, it allows you to be as creative and free as you want. It also helps you think in the mindset of the company, because I'm not just going to make a video that doesn't make sense. When I make a video, I need to have that company's image in mind and be as proactive as possible to try and represent that through video or photo. If you're interested in seeing how this journey goes, be sure to hit the subscribe button. So the first product I've decided to film is from Ultimate Ears, and it is for the UE Boom. Now, I don't think I'm going to make it specific to this speaker. I think I'm going to be making a generic speaker for the actual company Ultimate Ears. That way they can use it more broadly across their brand. Let's see what we can come up with. I got some pretty cool ideas, I think. Let's give it a go and see what happens. Okay, so I'm pretty much ready to film now. I've got a 3-light setup and I'm using the computer as my backdrop in Photoshop. Show you what I've done. So I've got my key light up here, the Godox MS200. I've got the umbrella pointed this way because it concentrates the light more on the target. So that's to light one side. Then I've got a top aperture light here. Now what that does, you'll see it gives it that gold ring of light across the top here. And that kind of helps the image pop from the background. And then finally, I've got this old thing down here. This is just to fill in a bit of the light because I needed it to balance my image. So if I under or overexpose this, you'll notice the pink also gets brighter or darker. So I needed to light the UE Boom well enough that it was lit off the background without underexposing it. So basically I've picked my song now, and what I'm going to be doing is playing the music while changing the background, and I'll be recording each shot as I go. I'm shooting this in 8K at 24 frames per second. I've got that nice and even and ready to go. And I'm basically just gonna be recording a few seconds of each clip and changing through the colors. That's it. I might have a play around with a few other things and see what looks cool, and let's see how it turns out. So that's it. I've edited, filmed, everything's ready to go. I'm gonna submit that to Ultimate Ears. Let's see if they say something. It looked pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with it. I would have enjoyed it a little bit more, I think, if there was like a rotating element to it. I think it really would have added that final kind of element to really bring it to life, but that's all right. I'm gonna start planning the next project right after I've edited this video. Anyways, thank you for watching to the end. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.